Hello everyone, my name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE Worlds. Once again, I came with another video for Fit India quiz rounds. As you know that I am making videos as per the syllabus for Fit India Quiz 2021. This video contains some important questions and answers and some relevant informations from Asian Games. If you are new to our channel, let me tell you that I have made 4 more videos for Fit India Quiz 2021. You may check that out. The playlist link is given in the description box. And I would request you to subscribe our channel for more information about physical education and sports. And if you need some specific information about physical education and sports, you may always write in the comment box. I will surely revert back to you. Anyway, without further ado, let's start the question answer set. Fit India Quiz Questions and Answers Set 5. This question answer set is from Asian Games. Question number 1. In which city have the Asian Games been held the greatest number of times? New Delhi, Tokyo, Bangkok, Seoul. The answer is Bangkok. Question number 2. In which year were the Asian Games held for the first time? 1936, 1982, 1951, 1948. The answer is 1951. Question number 3. How many times have the Asian Games been held in South Korea? 2, 1, 4, 3. The answer is 3. Question number 4. Where were the 2018 Asian Games held? Manila, Doha, Bangkok, Jakarta. The answer is Jakarta. Question number 5. Where are the headquarters of Olympic Council of Asia, the body which organizes the Asian Games, located? Beijing, New Delhi, Tokyo, Kuwait City. The answer is Kuwait City. Question number 6. Who of the following is the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at Asian Games? PT Usha, Karnam Maleshwari, Kamaljit Sadhu, Sania Mirza. The answer is Kamaljit Sadhu. Question number 7. How many times has India won the gold medal in men's hockey at the Asian Games? 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 3. Question number 8. What has been highest rank of India in the medals tally at the Asian Games since their beginning in 1951? First, second, third, fourth. The answer is second. Question number 9. Which Indian athlete holds the Asian Games record for 1500 meter race that he established in 2002? PT Usha, Tintu Luka, Sunita Rani, Saini Abraham. The answer is Sunita Rani. Question number 10. How many countries participated at the 2018 Asian Games? 45, 51, 42, 37. The answer is 45. Question number 11. What kind of animal is Bhin Bhin in the official mascot of 2018 Asian Games? Greater bird of paradise, rhinoceros, deer, commando dragon. The answer is greater bird of paradise. Question number 12. From which city did the torch relay for 2018 Asian Games begin on 15 July 2018? Incheon, Guangzhou, New Delhi, Olympia. The answer is New Delhi. Question number 13. Which country sent the greatest number of athletes to the 2018 Asian Games? China, Japan, South Korea, Indonesia. The answer is Indonesia. Question number 14. In which event did India win the maximum number of medals at the 2018 Asian Games? Shooting, athletics, archery, boxing. The answer is athletics. Which team won the gold medal in men's kabaddi at 2018 Asian Games? Iran, South Korea, India, Bangladesh. The answer is Iran. Question number 16. Which country won the gold medal in men's hockey at 2018 Asian Games? South Korea, Japan, Pakistan, Malaysia. The answer is Japan. Question number 17. Who was the flag bearer of Indian contingent at the opening ceremony of Asian Games 2018? Saina Nehwal, Neeraj Chopra, PV Sindhu, Bajrang Punia. Question number 18. What was the rank of India in the final medals tally at 2018 Asian Games? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. The answer is 8th. Question number 19. PV Sindhu lost to Tai Tzu Ying in the finals at 2018 Asian Games. To which country does Tai Tzu Ying belong? Japan, China, South Korea, Chinese Taipei. The answer is Chinese Taipei. Question number 20. Which city in China will be the host for 2022 Asian Games? Shanghai, Guangzhou, Hangzhou, Shenzhen. The answer is Guangzhou. Question number 21. Who of the following became the first Indian to win a gold medal in women's heptathlon at the Asian Games? Sapna Barman, Duti Chand, Hima Das, Sudha Singh. The answer is Sapna Barman. Question number 22. Which of the following was the motto of 2018 Asian Games? Games for Peace, Energy of Asia, Light of Asia, to the world with love. The answer is Energy of Asia. Question number 23. Which of the following is the medals tally in gold, silver, bronze order of India at the 2018 Asian Games? 15, 24, 30, 14, 25, 30, 15, 23, 31, 14, 22, 35. The answer is 15, 24, 30. Means 15 gold, 24 silver and 30 bronze. Question number 24. How many editions of Asia Games have been organized so far? 17, 32, 53, 39. The answer is 17. Because the first Asian Games were organized in 1951 in New Delhi, India. Since then, Asian Games have been organized 17 times. The 18th Asian Games were organized in Indonesia from 18th August 2018. Question number 25. Who was the mascot of 18th Asian Games? Popo and Cuckoo white pigeons, Apu an elephant, Pan Pan the panda, Bin Bin the bird of paradise, Atong the deer, Kaka the rhino. Because Bin Bin the bird of paradise, Atong the deer, Kaka the rhino was chosen as the mascot of 18th Asian Games. These three represent the east, west and center of the country, and they have dressed traditional to each locality. Question number 26. Which country houses the headquarters of the Olympic Council of Asia? Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Oman. The answer is Kuwait. Few more information about Asian Games. This is all about Asian Games 2022. The official emblem of Asian Games 2022, titled Surging Tides, was unveiled during a special ceremony at the headquarters of the Hangzhou Culture Radio Television Group on 6th August 2018 to prepare the city to succeed Jakarta and Palembang 2018 as Asian Games host city. Another information, the official mascot of Asian Games 2022 is Kong Kong, Lian Lian and Chen Chen, known collectively as the Smart Triplets. Memories of Jianggan were unveiled online on April 3, 2022 as the official mascots of the games. Male robotic superheroes that originated the archaeological ruins of Liangzhou city, the West Lake and the Grand Canal. Another information, the official motto of the 2022 Asian Games, Heart to Heart @ Future, was unveiled at the Tennis Center of Olympic and International Expo Park, nicknamed Little Lotus, on 15 December 2019 to mark the 1000 days countdown to the games. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment. And keep following our channel for more update about physical education and sports.